In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Xbox. Here we are on Xbox and I'm not yet signed in. I have my main account and I have an additional account here. I'm going to change the name of this account and I'll walk you through it. First, sign into the account. When you're signed into the account, select the Xbox Home button on your controller. It's the Xbox button in the middle of your Xbox controller. From here, you want to scroll over to the far right. I like to use the D-pad and press the D-pad 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. This will take you to the Profile and Systems page. You can select your name from the top of the menu here. From this point, you want to select My Profile. From here, you want to go down and select Customize Profile. Here you will be able to change your name. You can see I've highlighted my name here on the left hand side. Hidden Synth is the name of this profile. If I select this, I can now select a gamertag. Xbox has expanded the range of possible gamertags and languages. Now you can choose just about any name you want. Current gamertag is Hidden Synth. Your new gamertag will be here. So I'm going to enter a gamertag here and check the availability. Once you've picked a name that you like, press the Start, aka the menu button, on your controller. This will check the availability of the name. This page is showing you how you will appear once you have changed your name. Below this it reads, if you see an ID next to your gamertag, it's there to tell you apart from people who may have the same gamertag. This will replace Hidden Synth, which is your previous gamertag name, so it will say your previous gamertag name here. Once you confirm the change, Hidden Synth will be available to others. So of course, if you're removing a previous name, this will be available for others to use. What it means by the ID is the numbers that appear after your gamertag, your new Xbox name. Here I can select Change Gamertag at the bottom of the screen there. You can also customize Classic Gamertag. But for this example, I'm going to select Change Gamertag. There is another notification that reads, are you sure you want to change your gamertag? You won't be able to change it back. If you're sure, select Change Gamertag. If you want to go back and make any changes or you're not sure, select Cancel. In this case, I'm going to select Change Gamertag. This is a big change to your Xbox account, and you will need to enter the password of the associated email for this Xbox account that you were trying to change the name of. Enter this password for the email account that is shown on the left hand side. My email has been censored for this account in this demonstration. Once you've entered the password, press the menu button, aka what some people know as the Start button. You'll be able to change your gamertag name once for free. The second time around, if you change your gamertag name of the same profile, you will need to pay. In this case, I need to pay £7.99. I'm going to do this now, and I wanted to show you this to give you this extra piece of information, which is why you should always stick around to the end of the video, as I will always have additional information that will be helpful to you. Congratulations! You have now successfully changed your gamertag name on Xbox. It can take up to 48 hours for your gamertag to change. You'll be able to see the change that is coming into place on this page here of your profile on Xbox. Beneath Hidden Synth, you can see my new gamertag, which is ready and waiting, and this will change within 48 hours. On screen right now, you will see additional content that is catered to you right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I upload a variety of content, including Xbox updates, where you can find Xbox tutorials like this one that you've just watched. And there is also other content that I upload that you may find very interesting here on the channel. With that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You are awesome.